At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we are committed to providing dependable and professional boiler repair Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania services, and we strive every day to deliver high-quality workmanship and customer satisfaction. Our team works closely with various systems such as HVAC control systems, furnace repair service, and related heating contractor solutions to ensure safe and efficient operation. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. Can a leaking boiler be repaired safely? At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we can confirm that a leaking boiler can often be repaired safely when it is handled promptly and by a qualified professional. Our trained technicians also evaluate connected components such as the HVAC control system, heating lines, and parts supplied through a heating equipment supplier to ensure the issue is fully resolved. Why does my boiler keep shutting off unexpectedly? At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we often find that a boiler shutting off unexpectedly during boiler repair service is usually caused by issues such as low water pressure, thermostat malfunctions, blocked components, or problems within the HVAC system. Our team carefully inspects all connected components, including furnace-related issues through furnace repair service, and evaluates parts supplied by a heating equipment supplier to identify the root cause. What is your service area? Our PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair serve the following Pennsylvania locations: Springfield, Clifton Heights, Wyndom, Glenolden, Broomall, Angora, Sharon Hill, Elmwood Park, Holmes, Collingdale, Folcroft, Tinicum Township, Darby Township, Eastwick, Yeadon, Lansdowne, East Lansdowne, Millbourne, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 642 Harper Avenue, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026, United States. Our phone number is 610-672-3046. Visit our website, https://pjmachvac.com/drexel-hill-ac-heating-repair-install/.